dental clinic is still open. We still have staff there. We're trying to use teledentistry as much as we can. We are still seeing emergency patients, and these are patients that are in extreme pain or have swelling. Routine dentistry has been suspended by the governor's executive order, so we're not doing regular restorations or fillings or elective extractions or anything like that. We're only seeing patients on an emergency basis. There's a doorbell that they must ring. The girls will come out and get them. They have to sit in the car, and the only person that's allowed in it will be the patient. And so we're trying to hold down on traffic and keep everybody safe while we're doing this. Most of the cases we've seen, we've done a few extractions. They were swelled. We had one that was swelled, and we had to send them to Dr. Wilson, who's an oral surgeon in Middlesboro. The swelling was really bad, and they had to be put in the hospital. But these are extreme cases, and they're popping up more and more as this virus goes on because more dental offices are shut down.
Touch me.